Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache in Google Drive application. If you want to clear the cache and help fix app issues, free up storage space and improve performance in Google Drive, follow along till the end. First of all, open the Google Drive application on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your Google account's credentials. After signing in, go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button. This will open up settings. From here, tap on Clear Cache at the bottom. Click on OK in the pop-up, and then you have successfully cleared the cache data on your Google Drive application. You can also tap on the cache size button and select the cache size that you want to clear and then click on Clear Cache. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.